If you've lost access to your Tidal account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Tidal login page. Go to the Tidal website or open the Tidal app. Click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Tidal account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Tidal with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Log in with new password. Return to the Tidal login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Tidal's customer support for further assistance.